beef stroganoff is one of those intimidating dishes. Pero sa totoo lang, napakadali lang gawin ito. Papakita ko sa inyo paano. So I have here mushrooms. So yung ating beef. Lagyan lang natin or i-dust lang natin ng flour. Basically what it does is nagbibigay lang to ng added layer para mas maging crispy yung ating tenderloin cuts. Season na rin natin to ng salt and pepper. And then fry natin siya by batch. Since we are using beef tenderloin, ang mangyayari kasi dito, lalong-lalo na pag gumagamit lang tayo ng stove sa bahay, is hindi makakayanan ng ating pangbahay na stove yung load pag ginawa natin isang batch lang yung prito doon sa ating beef. So, para makuha ko yung texture na gusto ko, gagawin ko, isi-sear ko siya ng by batch. So, kapag na-sear na to, set aside lang natin. Using the same pan, lagyan lang natin to ng mantikilya, saka natin i-saute yung ating mushrooms and onions. And then let's season it with salt and pepper. Lagyan lang natin ng flour. Basically parang niluluto lang natin yung all-purpose flour natin dito sa prosesong to, kasi gagawin natin siya mamaya as thickener ng ating pinaka-sauce. So once na naluto na natin yung ating harina, lagay na natin yung ating beef stock. So since nag-thicken na yung ating pinaka-base, this is actually the perfect time para ilagay na yung ating sour cream. Now kung hindi naman ninyo trip na medyo may tartness, may konting asim yung sauce nyo, you can definitely substitute with an all-purpose cream. Pwede na nating ibalik yung ating beef and then lulutuin lang natin to for just additional 1 minute. And then, pwede na tayo mag-plate. Actually, there are two ways of serving this. One is, you can toss it together with the pasta, or yung gagawin ko, itatap ko lang siya.